Yes, Anushka.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of chromosome?
What is the meaning of chromosome? So, wait. Bacha, can you see my screen? Anushka?
Yes, ma'am.
So, just see here. Okay? This is DNA. Okay? This is very long, you can see. So, to accommodate it within the cell, what happens? This DNA get binds on some proteins. The proteins are called as histones. Okay? Which
Yes.
give rise to a structure known as chromatin. बहुत ऐसा thread जैसा structure होता है, as you can see here. These all are chromatins.
Yes.
So when a cell is dividing, it is very difficult to divide this chromatin into daughter cells. ठीक है?
Yeah.
तो क्या होता है? What happened then? This chromatin get condensed and it give rise to a structure known as chromosome. So can I say chromosome is a condensed form of chromatin?
Yes.
Clear? You can see देखो ऐसे पूरा कंडेंस हो गया तभी ऐसा बन गया. जैसे कि सपोज हमारे बाल हैं, let us take one hair strands. These all one hair strands, they all are considered as chromatin. मैंने क्या किया, मैंने इसको पकड़ के दो चोटी बना दी, मैंने कंडेंस कर दिया.
Yes.
वो क्या हो गया, वो क्रोमोसोम हो गया.
Yeah,
Okay. Yes, Archita, you there?
Ma'am, my doubt was that what are vacuoles and granules?
But see, we'll talk about the vacuoles for sure because I've not started with the cell organelle yet.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'll make you. Do you have any doubt related to your school or something like that, or just wanna ask this particularly vacuole?
No, ma'am, no other doubts. I just had this doubt.
Okay, I'll tell you. Vacuoles are structure. Basically, they are present in plant cell. They're not in animal cell though. But if they are in animal cell, they're very small. What's their role? They're just stored. Their main role is storage.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes.
And okay, can you please tell me? Okay, can you, Archita? Can you please tell me, like, I think you got disconnected in the last lecture. So, at somewhere specific slides or from the starting only?
Ma'am, wait, let me think.
Just drop me a message, okay?
Yes.
Yes, Dishita.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of daughter cells?
Daughter cells. एक सेल है, ठीक है? फिर उससे जो different cells बन रहे हैं उनको हम daughter cells बोलते हैं.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, I think we'll take a short question round. You just have to raise your hands. Okay. Name the type of a cell in which genetic material is not bound by any membrane. Yes, Archita.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Dishita.
Ma'am, prokaryotic cells.
Okay, fine. Okay, the condensed form of chromatin is. Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, the condensed form of chromatin is chromosome.
Okay, very good. Chromatin is made up of DNA plus dash. Just fill it. Yes, Supriti. Oh, I think I am some. Wait. Yes, Dishita.
Ma'am, proteins.
Can anyone name that particular protein?
Ma'am, histone protein.
Very good. Okay. So, can you tell me the discovery ठीक है, related to the cell which take place in 1855. Anything, any historical moment related with the cell in 1855. Yes, Archita.
Ma'am, in 1855, Anton van Leeuwenhoek found living cells.
No, I
and
don't think so. Just recall it again. Yes, Asishwi.
Ma'am, Rudolf Virchow.
Yes, what did he?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anushka, what did Rudolph Virchow did? I unmute you. Okay. Yes, Angad. I'm not able to unmute you. Yes, Angad.
Rudolf Virchow, he added another point in cell theory.
What was that point?
That all dead cells reproduce new cells.
All dead cells.
Old cells
Okay.
reproduce.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So nucleus. How many membranes are there in the nucleus? How many membranes are there in the nucleus? 1 or 2? Yes.
Ma'am, 1.
No, there are 2 membranes. Okay. The DNA is present in the nucleus in the form of DNA is present in the nucleus in the form of some thread-like structures called as yes, Priyal.
Is it chromatin?
Yes. When a cell divides, the chromatin get condensed to form. Yes, Medha. I'm not able to. Huh. Yes, Medha. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, bacha.
Chromoblasts.
No. Recall it again.
Can you repeat the question?
When a cell divides.
ma'am, chromosomes.
Oh yeah, chromosomes. Okay. I think you have done with the various shapes of the cell. Kyobi ma'am ne karwaya, right? You just drop a message to me chat. Various shape of the cell karwaya. Shape of the various cell. Okay. So can you please tell me the shape of WBC? Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, I think WBC are round.
No. Yes, Ankad.
I think they're spherical.
No. Yes, Piyush. Piyush. Yes, Ayush.
Miss, they are biconcave.
No. Yes, Priyal.
Ma'am, they are irregular in shape.
They are irregular in shape. Very good. So can anyone tell me why WBCs are irregular in shape?
Ma'am, because there are various components inside them.
Sorry?
Ma'am, because they have to fight the cell.
They have to fight with the No.
With the virus or
wait.
just
Yes. They have to fight with the germ. So they need to cross the blood vessels. Hence they are spherical in shape. Okay. And can you, any one of you, can you please tell me the shape of RBC? Yes, Priyal? Yes.
Concave.
Sorry?
They are biconcave.
They are biconcave. So your homework for the day is why RBCs are biconcave in the shape.
Okay.
I'll ask in the next class.
Okay.
Okay. Any one of you, can you please tell me the shape of guard cell of this stomata? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, dumbbell shape.
All the guard cells are not dumbbell shaped. No, majority are not dumbbell shaped. Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, they are bean shaped.
They are bean shaped. Majority, some of them are dumbbell shaped also, but they are majority is bean shaped. Okay. The longest cell. Name the longest cell. Yes, Ayush.
Miss, longest cell is of an ostrich egg.
Is it longest or is it largest?
Largest.
So what about the longest cell?
Miss, don't know.
Yes, Priyal.
Ma'am, is it neuron?
Yes, neuron. Any one of you, can you please tell me the name of the smallest cell? The smallest cell. Yes, Riansh.
Ma'am, the bacteria.
Which bacteria? Any idea?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Anushka. Yes,
Gallisepticum.
which Gallisepticum?
Mycoplasma.
Yes, Mycoplasma gallisepticum is the smallest cell. Okay, so do you have any doubts? You can ask your question. I'm here for next 5 minutes. After that, I'll end this chat. Riansh, you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Angad, you have any doubt?
Ma'am, I have the answer to your homework question.
Not now. We'll discuss this in the next lecture for sure.
Okay.
Yes, Dishita.
Ma'am, are plasma membrane and cell membrane the same?
Yeah. The plasma membrane is the plasma membrane, plasma lemma. These are the another name of the cell membrane.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Supriti, any doubt?
Ma'am, which is the protein present in DNA?
Histone.
Okay.
No. In DNA, no, bacha. No, not DNA. If you talk about chromatin, in chromatin, histone.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Any doubt?
Ma'am, what is nucleolus and what is its function?
क्या मैंने न्यूक्लियस करवा दिया अभी?
Ma'am, I want to ask nucleolus.
आप ये बताओ, हमने न्यूक्लियस नहीं किया ना अभी?
No, ma'am.
हाँ, then we'll talk about nucleolus because it is the rounded structure present inside the nucleus, in the nucleoplasm. Fine, we'll talk about that. Yes, Yashashvi.
Ma'am, what is the length of the neuron?
Length of the neuron. Sorry.
Ma'am, what is the length of the neuron?
I think. Wait. I'll tell you in a minute. Wait, yeah. It's around like it depends. It's around 100 microns. It depends upon the type of neuron. There are some neurons, motor neuron. There are some sensory neurons. So it's around 100 microns. Some are 1 meter long. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yes, Angad.
Yes, those who have no doubts, should they leave the meeting?
Sorry.
Sure.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
Yes, Dishita.
Ma'am, which is the longest cell?
Neuron is the longest cell.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, Riansh. You have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, बच्चे. Yes, Abhiram.
Ma'am, which is the smallest cell?
I'll write it for you. Okay. Yes, Yashashvi.
Mitochondria.
Yes, Yashashvi, are you there?
Ma'am, what is the function of mitochondria?
Bacha, when we'll talk about the cell organelle, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Basically, they help us, they provide us energy. Hence, they are known as powerhouse of the cell.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Any doubt, Abhiram? Are you done with the doubt? All right. Yes, Mayank. Yes, Mayank.
Ma'am, I want to ask how much time it takes to human cell to divide
Few
into
seconds.
two?
Few seconds. It depends upon the cell also.
Okay, ma'am.
Someone of you asked me the smallest cell. So this is the smallest cell, Mycoplasma gallisepticum. ठीक है, ये सबसे छोटा होता है. It's a bacteria. You should write. You should underline it while writing because it's a scientific name. So I think no more doubts are there. So what happened? So we are done for the day. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp it to me. Take care. Bye bye. Why I'm not open? It's Mayank, you have any doubt?
Ma'am, what is endoplasmic reticulum?
बच्चे when we'll talk about the different cell organ, I'll tell you for sure. जितना पढ़ा लिया उसमें से कोई डाउट है तो वो पूछ लो. Fine.
Okay.
Yes, you can leave the meeting. Bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home.